Welcome to the first annual Yale University New Haven Community Math Awareness Fair. Let's take a look. What do we have here?
It's the Monty Hall problem. 2 buckets contain a Q-tip, and 1 contains candy. Choose a bucket.
This bucket.
I will now show you a bucket that does not contain the candy. Would you like to switch or stay with your original choice?
I will stay with my original choice.
Congratulations, you've won a Q-tip. Had you switched, you would have doubled your chances of winning.
Very interesting, thank you.
Next weekend is Miss America orientation. We'll need a short-term plan to try and get her ready for that. Cassie, how's her talent coming along?
Great. Her singing is sounding better every day, and we have a song, and the music track was finished yesterday. She'll be all set for that.
I told you she's a good singer. Nelda?
I'm doing my best teaching her how to do her own hair. It hasn't been easy, but we're moving towards the right direction.
That's good work, girls. Keep it up.
And what do we have here?
Oh, we're making molecular geometric models. Each one of these figures signifies an element, and the way it's oriented in space signifies characteristics of the molecule.
Thank you. And what is this?
At this station, we're basically going through a mentalist illusion that David Copperfield did, where it seemed that he could read your mind, but basically was actually changing the rules of the game using graph theory.
Graph theory. And what is this here?
Over here, we're showing a basic calculus concept where they use rectangles to fit under curves to show how you can fit a square piece of area underneath a curve.
Interesting use of cheese.
How do I know for sure that suspect 4 was the culprit?
Okay, so we use what is called graph or network theory as a tool to reduce this map of the crime to a simpler diagram, which has very clear mathematical properties. If a network has exactly 2 odd-degree vertices, as we see here, you either enter or exit on one and then have no choice but to enter or exit via the other. And it's already been established in this crime that the perpetrator entered the bank through here. And the footprints in the snow showed that no track was walked over a second time.
Therefore, the thief had to exit through here, and whoever was found in the location is the culprit.
Yeah, she's right. And if they say they entered here and they exited here, you can see it makes absolutely no sense.
QED.
And this looks like spaghetti.
It is, and we're demonstrating the triangle inequality theorem. So every triangle has 3 sides, but there's a rule that says that 2 of those sides have to add up to a sum that is greater than the 3rd side. And we can see that doesn't follow the rule here, these sizes. So if they don't, then you actually can't figure out a way to make the triangle.
Interesting.
And then over here, this is based on Pascal's triangle. And there's a 50% chance that the ping pong ball will go right, 50% chance the ping pong ball will go left. So we can watch as the ping pong ball descends, and we'll see that if we did this for long enough time, we would predict that we'd get approximately a bell curve in terms of distribution.
Very interesting, thank you. And what is this piece of cloth here?
Oh, I'm wearing a Mobius strip.
And what is a Mobius strip?
Oh, well, it basically, it shows you a really cool concept. If I keep cutting it down the middle, am I gonna wind up with 2 strips or 1?
I would think you would end up with 2 strips.
Well, you'd think wrong, it's just 1.
All right. And what do you have here?
Oh, I'd like to give you a pie tattoo.
Hey, Bev, check this out.
It's Beverly. Yikes to the 10th power, Felicia. Maybe I should start calling you like Fel or Isha.
I almost forgot about Felicia calling me Bev. My name is Beverly. What is wrong with her? She can memorize like every theorem known to math, but she can't remember the last 4 letters of my name? Seriously?
And you never know what will happen here at the first annual Yale New Haven Community Math Awareness Fair. Back to you, Bob.
The Seattle Police Department was very happy to receive this file, and by all accounts, they're planning on arresting suspect 4 this afternoon.
Congratulations. It seems you've solved the case and earned early release.
Thank you, Warden Johnson. Thank you so much.
Yes, well, I'll tell you the time frame when I have more information. The paperwork could take a few months to process.
What? No, that's impossible. My daughter's gonna be Miss America. You don't understand. You sleazeball! You promised me early release!
Oh, we're here in the Yale classroom today because Felicia refused to leave her class. So we had to bring all of these down from my house to get these ready for her to try on to make sure she has all of the right clothes for the pageant. But that's okay. It's all for the Miss America pageant coming up soon. Wonderful.